guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a product review, and it's not going to be a long one because I don't have much to say about this. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I purchased the MineTan Bronze Babe Personal Spray Tan Kit. I had the highest of hopes for this device right here. I was like, I'm finally going to get my tan game on point. It's going to be flawless. And that was sadly not the case. So I purchased this item. As soon as I got it in, I wanted to try it out. I tried it on my legs the first time, just my legs, because I just wanted to see how it worked. So the device itself is easy to use. So you just put the tannin liquid, and the kit came with the Pro Spray Mist. It's the Absolute 20. It's the Ultra Dark. That's what it looks like. So that's what it came with, just like a sample little size. And then it came with a mitt as well, which the mitt isn't that good. I would suggest using a different mitt. I used a different mitt, but anyway, it comes with a mitt. And so you just plug it in, and it has like an on button, and then you spray this nozzle right here, and it's supposed to have a flawless, beautiful tan, right? Well, here's my story. So I wanted to use it on my legs. So I did the whole setup. I sprayed it on my legs, and it was coming out so like just a line, just a streak. Now, mind you, I have never gotten a personal spray tan before. I've only gone to the spray tan machines, like at the tanning salon. So I've never had a personal spray tan. I've never had an individual actually spray tan me. So I do not know if this is the process or not, but it comes out in a streak. I still have to use the mitt to even it out. I still have to rub it in. So my thoughts are, what is the point? Like, if I'm having to use the mitt and rub it in myself to even it out, then why don't I just use my regular self tanner? So I don't really understand. I guess I was hoping that it was just going to spray magically and I was gonna look tan and flawless. But you don't. So there's no way that you can just spray it. The way that mine was coming out was a straight line, and there was no way that you could just walk away like that. So anyway, and the color of it just could be this tanning stuff, looked like I had a bruise. Like it looked like my leg was just bruised all the way down. So once I rubbed it out though, it kind of like the color kind of disappeared on me. And I thought maybe that's just what it was supposed to be like. Well, fast forward next day, my legs looked completely the same. There was like no difference. It was like I had done nothing at all. So a couple weeks go by, and I decide I'm going to test this bad boy out again and do a proper tanning session with it and do a video as well so that we could do a review. So I set everything up. I set my lighting up in my bathroom. I did some before pictures. I was ready to go. I did take a little bit of footage. I started to do it on my arm. I hope you can see it in the footage. I'm not sure. Maybe not. But I started to do it on my arm, and it was doing the same thing. The streak of dark bruise on my arm that I immediately have to spread out. And it wasn't that easy. I feel like I had to kind of like put some back into it to get it to like blend out. But once it blends out, you can't see anything. So it's very weird. But anyway, so I just did like one spray down, maybe two, and I went to go do it again, and nothing sprayed, and nothing has sprayed since. It's done. It gave up on me. It's over with. So I tried everything. I tried to take this thing apart. I tried cleaning it. I tried emptying out the solution. There's nothing getting up this little like tube. Nothing. It's not happening anymore. So yeah, that's my review on that. I told you it was gonna be short, but I don't know if there's something wrong with this one and I got a defective one. That could be the case. Where I got it from, I cannot return it or exchange it. So that's mainly why I wanted to make this video, because I knew that I was going to buy it from somewhere where I couldn't return it or exchange it. I try to do my research beforehand, and I went on YouTube and I watched reviews, and people seem to like it. So I felt good about purchasing it. So there is that. There are people that do seem to like it, but it did not work for me. And it was basically just a waste of money because there's nothing that I can do with this now. So I just wanted to make a video about it so that you can get another opinion besides the ones that I saw on YouTube, and then you can make your own educated decision on how you want to spend your money. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you want to comment below, let me know if you've tried this before, your thoughts. Did I get a faulty one? Let me know. And also, if there's another spray tan device that you've tried and you liked, leave that in the comments below as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.